Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Favorite Holiday Decor Open Collaboration. Special thank you to Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for putting this collaboration together. This collaboration is hosted by Jean Home Decor and More, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Donna Decor and More, Dream with Caroline, and me, Jennifer at Home. All of the participating channels will be listed below. Be sure to check them out and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Today I'll be sharing my favorite Christmas decorations. They are all of the ornaments on this beautiful tree. We call this tree the family tree. We've had it for so many years. It's a little small tree because we lived in a little small house when our kids were young. And so we had to have a little tree that would fit that little small space. We have all sorts of things on this tree, on the family tree. We have little ornaments from when our kids were born, little booties, all sorts of little things from when they were really, really young. All of the original ornaments they've ever gotten and ornaments that they made in school along the way. Even though they're paper, I've saved them. Here's an ornament from when my husband was away in the military and I was so sad he couldn't be home for Christmas many times. And on our first Christmas, when my husband and I were married, I didn't have money to go out and spend on fancy ornaments, and we were living in England at the time. So I made ornaments. I just sewed these together. Another year when I made ornaments for the family. We have some ornaments from back in the day when my husband was young, another decoration from his childhood, and some more things that he had as a child. Our first family photo together is on the tree. Little ornaments and decorations our kids made when they were in daycare and in school. Also ornaments from our trips and travels, favorite sports teams, and favorite movies. Ornaments from friends, and our favorite hobbies. I have ornaments from my childhood as well. This is my favorite. I have had this one for a very long time. I have a little angel ornament that my son picked out for me when he was very, very small, just a little toddler, and it sits over the top of a light so that the light shines through. Some of these ornaments are very, very old. I always love having this beautiful family tree in my kitchen because this is where I spend so much time cooking and where we spend a lot of time hanging out at the kitchen island. And it's really fun to look over and admire the tree and remember all of the fun times we had when we look at these beautiful family ornaments. I am so happy you were here. I had so much fun participating in this wonderful collaboration. Be sure to check out all of the other channels listed below and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.